Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use the Lightbox feature in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to webflow.com. Over here, click on Get Started for free and create an account using your email or Google login. After that, open your project or create a new one. Then press Ctrl plus E or CMD plus E on Mac to open the quick find bar. In the search bar, type Lightbox and click on the Lightbox component from the list. Then drag it onto your canvas. Over here, click the gear icon on the Lightbox to open its settings. After that, click on Choose Image and upload or select the image you want to display. Then, if you want to customize the Lightbox further, you can go to the Style panel. Over here, adjust things like size, padding, borders, or hover effects to match your site's style. After that, preview your site to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're happy with it, click on Publish at the top right and publish it to your selected domain. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.